Hello everyone, welcome to Wong Academy Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this spicy orange chicken wings. First, we need to marinate the chicken wings overnight. Here I have 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. I put 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 chopped red pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 2 tablespoons of honey, salt and black pepper, some parsley, and finally a teaspoon of Japanese mirin. Now the chicken wings are marinated overnight. It's time to add some orange zest. Now mix the orange zest with the chicken wings. Mix them well. Set the oven to 355 degrees. Put them to the oven. After 14 minutes, the wings are ready. Look at how beautiful they are.